Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off this video by laying my edges with the Kiss Edge Fixer. I'm gonna use the Strengthening Maximum Holds Edge Fixer, and it is clear like this. I've already used some of it. And I'm going in with this little edge brush. You can use a toothbrush, either or will work. And I'm just taking literally a little bit and gonna lightly brush it into my edges, and that little bit can take me all down one side. So first I'm gonna comb it. Alright, so this is the side with the Maximum Hold Edge Fixer. This one is actually for braiding, but it works good on your regular edges too. So that's what I used on this side, and now I'm going to do this side. I'm gonna do this side with one of their, they have a dark brown and a black edge fixer. I think I'm gonna go in with the natural black edge fixer just because my hair is rather black. I've already used this one too. And now I know some people get scared or nervous when using like a colored edge control because you don't want to look like you just spray painted your edges. But this one actually works really good, and it makes your edges appear a lot thicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like brush out where I want my edges to be. So I'm kind of brush this down, kind of brush this down, and leave that like that. And then I'm gonna take literally, well, that looks like a lot, but it's literally just a tad, and I'm going to spread it out, and then I'm going to do the same thing and just comb it around. And look how thick my edges look compared to this one. See how thick it looks? Alright, and so I used a fairly good amount on this side just because I really wanted it to look super full. So this is the side that has the black edge control on it, and then this is the side without. Y'all tell me which side y'all prefer. I honestly love this side if I'm going for like a Instagram baddie edges slave look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the black one on this side. So there you can see the difference. It looks a lot fuller, and I just love it. I'm gonna also do just right here slightly. You can also kind of like brush this into your hairline so you can like thicken up your hairline like so. So that just automatically made my hairline look a little bit thicker. And then I'm just gonna brush this in. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do. So yeah, my edges are popping. And now we're just gonna talk about the different products. Alright, so Kiss sent me a whole bunch of different products for this collaboration. That includes their argan hair oil, and this protects your hair from heat damage. So I did apply some of this to my hair before I diffused it, and it is really bomb. My hair looks really healthy, really shiny. So I am glad that I put some of this product on my hair. And then I also used a little bit of their argan hairspray. And then they also sent me a few cute things outside of their edge fixer line. I got their lash adhesive as well as a pair of their Mink Lashes, which I would have put them on, but I do have lash extensions on right now, but these are bomb lashes. I've tried them before, so I definitely recommend. And then they also sent me their lipstick and a mascara. Alright guys, so they sent me their edge fixers. These are what they look like, and one is a braiding edge fixer, and this is just the original edge fixer. You can see this one is enhancing roots and this one is strengthening. They both work really good. They work pretty much the same. The braiding one is probably really good for doing like box braids and stuff like that while you're braiding down the hair, but they both work good on your edges. And then they also sent me these mini edge fixers, and these are perfect for on the go or if you just want to try them out. So the difference between these, this one is natural black, this one is dark brown, and then these are different as well. One is for dry itchy scalp, and then the other one is for soothing and irritated scalp. So you can try these smaller versions out before you commit and get the bigger one, but they are all super bomb. So all of these edge fixtures are to nourish your hair while slaying your edges and making them look thick and fuller. So these are definitely a 10 out of 10 would recommend, and you can find these in your local beauty supply stores, and I'll also link everything in the description box below. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this product review. Make sure you go ahead and head to your local beauty supply store to get your own edge fixer. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tipple. Bye guys.